Soundbars are great because they save space and could be much cheaper than a complete surround system. They also don't take over a room the way regular speakers do. But there's a lot to choose from. Some are better suited to different listening environments than others. So today, I'll share the best to help you decide which one might be best for your particular situation. I'll also show you the best soundbars that will allow you to immerse yourself in the soundtracks of movies, TV shows, and video games. If you do not want to build a full-fledged home theater from various components, then the best budget soundbars from this video will easily replace it. Sony HT-S400. Among the inexpensive soundbar of the day, Sony products stand out. Sony's HT-S400 is one of the best budget soundbars in 2022. Sony has expanded the range of soundbars with the HT-S400, a cheaper proposal that goes alongside the more performing HT-A5000 and HT-S7000. The S400 has 2.1 channels and an external wireless subwoofer. As for the design, there are no particular prominent elements. A small OLED screen on the front has been placed that shows the operation's main information, such as the input source, the volume level, and the audio settings. Inside the Sony HT-S400 soundbar, you find X-balanced speakers with a rectangular shape, a solution that Sony has chosen for its ability to maximize the diaphragm area and reduce the excursion of the transducer without altering the sound pressure, thus limiting distortions to obtain greater clarity in the reproduction of voices. Strategically placed cuts also characterize the frame of the speakers. It allows you to control the stresses inside and outside the edges of the diaphragm. The low frequencies are entrusted to the subwoofer equipped with a 160mm woofer and located on the front side with the reflex duct. Sony HT-S400's total declared power is 330 watt. S-Force Pro front surround technology processes the signal and creates a virtual surround effect to simulate the presence of a multi-channel system. HT-S400 supports tracks in Dolby Digital format. Its Bluetooth lets you receive wireless sound from any source, including a TV. Available connections include an HDMI port with ARC, optical digital input, and a USB-A port for updates. If you want a simple, easy-to-use soundbar that won't be too flashy or take up a lot of space, then the Sony HT-S400 soundbar is the perfect solution. Polk Audio Signa S3. Polk Audio Signa S3 occupies the second place in the video. It is a versatile soundbar with Signa S3 wireless subwoofer. The Polk Audio Signa S3 is an exciting and affordable 2.1 soundbar with an integrated Chromecast and a keen focus on streaming. It made it possible to stream music over Wi-Fi. Internet sources such as Google Play Music, Amazon Music HD, Apple Music, Roon, Qobuz, Spotify, Tidal, and many others are available. Signa S3 is compatible with virtually any TV, including 8K and 4K models. The Signa S3 soundbar can decode the Dolby Digital 5.1 and create surround sound. Separately, the developers took care of the intelligibility of the dialogues. For this, the Signa S3 soundbar provides Polk Voice Adjust technology. Combining the Signa S3 with a Google Home speaker can use the Google Assistant voice service to control the system. It will allow you to start and stop playback and adjust the volume. The Google Home app will allow you to group the Signa S3 with other Chromecast-enabled speakers to create a multi-room home. The soundbar uses two 32 by 112mm oval full-range drivers and a pair of 25mm tweeters. The wireless subwoofer is made based on a 165mm woofer in a bass reflex enclosure. There are 3 preset sound character settings available on the system. The HDMI ARC audio return channel will allow you to control the inclusion and volume of the Signa S3 in conjunction with the TV from the standard TV remote control. Signa S3 soundbar is ideal for movie, music, or game lovers who want to experience the effect of surround sound. Yamaha SR-C20A. The Yamaha SR-C20A is one of the most compact and versatile soundbars, perfect for pairing with a TV or PC and sounding good enough for a home audio center. The novelty has a very compact size, only 60 centimeters long. The Yamaha SR-C20A is made in a laconic and simple design. Almost the entire front side of the soundbar is covered with a silver-gray textile mesh. The Yamaha SR-C20A has 3 speakers, 2 mid-range/treble, plus 1 built-in 60W subwoofer. The total power, in this case, is 100 watt, which creates a good margin, for example, for a home theater. Yamaha SR-C20A is primarily a compact and affordable device, which will be an excellent replacement for native TV speakers or desktop PC speakers. At the same time, this model is universal, as it can easily connect via Bluetooth 5.0 to mobile devices and has optical outputs and HDMI with ARC and CEC support. Remote control and a proprietary soundbar remote application are provided for control, allowing you to configure the soundbar in more detail. The functionality of the Yamaha SR-C20A soundbar is quite sufficient for everyday home use. At the same time, do not forget that the Yamaha SR-C20A belongs more to the category of budget models. There is no support for Wi-Fi connection and an external subwoofer. If you properly tune the sound, the Yamaha SR-C20A can produce a balanced panorama with good mid-range detail. For watching movies, games, and multimedia, the Yamaha SR-C20A soundbar is more than enough. It is the perfect offer for lovers of home entertainment. Vizio M-Series M21D H8R. The next pick of the day is the redesigned M-Series M21D H8R all-in-one 2.1 home theater soundbar from Vizio. Vizio M-Series M21D H8R is an inexpensive soundbar made in the USA. It can be recommended to those who are just starting to master the world of home cinema and high-quality sound. The black body goes well with light-colored TVs or furniture. Vizio M-Series M21D H8R is a good soundbar with an HDMI connection and a built-in dual 3-inch subwoofer. The presence of a subwoofer in combination with the auto EQ function guarantees the right bass, and the active voice amplifier technology enhances the intelligibility of dialogue in movies and TV shows. Of course, the model supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X formats, and ordinary sound becomes surround using immersive audio enhancement technology. It means you can count on the presence effect when watching a high-quality movie or during a game. The sound will envelop from all sides and when listening to high-resolution music. During installation, the Vizio M-Series M21D H8R automatically calibrates the sound according to the room's acoustics. The HDMI 2.1 video path allows you to display a picture in 4K resolution and supports 4K 120Hz gaming mode. Multifunctional stereo systems deliver powerful multi-channel sound, enhancing the immersive experience of 4K content and music. It is recommended to every movie lover who cares about better sound quality than a regular TV and, at the same time, doesn't plan to invest too much. Roku Streambar Pro. The Roku Streambar Pro is a 4K streaming player housed in a soundbar. A good combination that I can recommend. The sound of the Roku Streambar Pro is convincing for the compact design. The four 48mm drivers are divided into 2 front and 2 side speakers. They deliver a clear, mid-emphasizing sound superior to the built-in TV speakers. The top of the Roku Streambar Pro soundbar consists of a matte black plastic cover. The speakers on the front are covered with a mesh fabric, and a rubberized surface on the underside prevents them from slipping. Roku Streambar Pro has 4 connections on the back: power, HDMI 2 with arcade, an optical audio output, and a USB port. The usual way to connect the TV is with HDMI. Optionally, you can also use the supplied optical audio cable. Thanks to ARC support, the Roku Streambar Pro soundbar can automatically switch the TV on and off, so you only need one remote control. You can connect sticks or hard drives via the USB port to play back music, photos, or videos. However, the position on the back is not very comfortable for this. Fortunately, the handy remote control offers Bluetooth, unlike the cheaper Roku Express models, not just infrared. Roku Streambar Pro provides the feature to find the lost remote via a mobile app. The soundbar also includes the private listening feature. The well-functioning Roku voice control, which focuses on finding content, is interesting. The Roku Soundbar Pro can shine with wireless radio standards, so you can cast content via Apple AirPlay, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, or Bluetooth. Roku Soundbar Pro is excellent for users who care about the best sound effects. The high-end Pro model will give you even more enjoyment when watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. I hope you enjoyed this video on the best budget soundbars 2022. Everyone knows that finding the best budget soundbars is challenging, so I hope this video on the best soundbars has helped you narrow down the search. The soundbar is an excellent alternative to large home theater systems that are expensive. If you don't want to place your speakers in different places for optimal sound effects, a soundbar is a way to go. Thank you for watching.